Hey everyone, Shelly here, and I have another fabulous mocktail for you. Today we're making a non-alcoholic raspberry Frose. This is perfect for summertime sipping, or anytime really. It's bursting with flavor, and you are going to love it. More and more people are abstaining from alcohol for one reason or another, but you do not have to sacrifice flavor. This mocktail is just two easy ingredients. We're using fresh raspberries and a non-alcoholic rosé. Did you even know there was such a thing? It's brilliant. Because this is a frozen drink, it's gonna take just a little bit of prep. So the day before, take your rosé and just pour it into ice cube trays. Pop it in your freezer and let them freeze overnight. Once it's frozen, it will take you just 2 minutes to make this refreshing drink. Now I'm using my trusty Vitamix, and this thing has brought me great recipes for years, but any blender will do. All we're going to do is place our frozen rosé cubes into a blender. You'll need about 6 to 8 cubes of rosé to make one frosé. And we're gonna use about a pint of fresh raspberries. Now I've left a couple of raspberries out to garnish. And then we will put this all in and just blend it up. Isn't that a beautiful color? Now I'll just pour it into our glass. It's like a vibrant, beautiful, thick slushy. Yum. I'm just gonna use a little raspberry to garnish it and a sprig of mint. And there we have it, a raspberry frosé. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you want to be kept in the loop on the latest videos. For more recipes, go to artformytable.com, and I will see you next time.